Can COVID-19 vaccines make you seedless?
Can sugar be used to treat minor wounds at home?
And can baking soda kill viruses and cancer cells in your body? Welcome to the next episode of What's Crap on WhatsApp, the voice note show that investigates the crap shared in your WhatsApp groups. I'm Andisueme from podcasting company Volume.
And I'm Kate Wilkinson from Africa Check, the continent's leading fact-checking organization. Let's get fact-checking.
First on our list today is a very interesting claim. It's a graphic doing the rounds on Facebook.
It says, if they can make fruit seedless, then they can make you seedless too.
The post included this comment: genetically modified fruits have no seeds. Once you take the jab, you also become a genetically modified product, owned and patented by the state. The vaccinated's human rights will disappear overnight. The depopulation. You will become seedless.
But this false claim indicating that COVID-19 vaccines can turn someone infertile has been repeatedly debunked. Vaccines, including mRNA vaccines developed to prevent COVID-19, cannot alter human genetic material, and people can't be compared to fruit.
Seedless fruit are not produced by direct modification of genes. As Michigan State University's College of Agriculture and Natural Resources wrote in 2019, no current seedless plants are genetically modified organisms, or GMOs. Instead, many plants naturally produce seedless fruit, and seedlessness can be cultivated in the same way that humans have cultivated other qualities in agricultural products.
Michigan State explained that it is a heritable trait carried on through pollen and maintained in the gene pool until the right parental combination again occurs to produce a plant with seedless fruit. But instead of directly modifying the DNA of a plant, humans have simply cultivated plants to favor genes that produce seedless fruit.
People may be infertile, meaning that they can't achieve pregnancy. But infertility in people has a far different cause than infertility in fruit. There is no evidence that vaccines against COVID-19 or any other common vaccines can cause infertility. It is a myth that COVID-19 vaccines can alter human DNA. This claim, which usually targets mRNA vaccines, has been repeatedly debunked.
Scientists at the Medan Digital Health Lab have said, to alter the human DNA, one would need to introduce genetic material from another organism into the nucleus of the cells of the human body, which contains their natural DNA.
The mRNA in COVID-19 vaccines does not enter the nucleus of the cell and breaks down in about 72 hours.
This message is crap.
Next on our list for today is a graphic that says you can treat cuts and scrapes at home with a simple kitchen ingredient. Which ingredient is that, Kate? Butter? Oil?
It's sugar. The claim says that putting sugar in a wound will reduce pain and speed up the healing process. The post also shows an illustration of white sugar being poured onto a wound, and then another illustration where it shows that the wound has healed.
I see that Facebook users have questioned the graphic's advice. Is this safe and accurate advice?
Africa Check spoke to Prof. Timothy Hardcastle, head of the Trauma and Burns Unit at South Africa's Nkosi Albert Luthuli Central Hospital. He said, yes, sugar or honey is often used by wound care practitioners and sometimes by surgeons in wounds of non-diabetic people to help reduce pain and edema.
According to the Mayo Clinic, edema occurs when excess fluid is trapped in your body's tissues. Hardcastle said the treatment worked by drawing fluids out of the wound and by lysing organisms in the high sugar environment. Lysing is the destruction of a cell.
But the treatment should not be used on people with diabetes.
Interesting. What else can we do to make sure we treat cuts and scrapes?
So, first of all, wash your hands to get rid of germs so that you don't cause an infection, and then apply pressure with a bandage or elevate the wound to stop any bleeding.
Wash the wound with clean water. Put an antibiotic ointment or petroleum jelly on the wound to keep it moist and prevent scarring.
And then you can cover the wound with a bandage or gauze. Make sure to watch for signs of infection. And you should see a doctor for more serious wounds, or if a minor wound does not heal, or if it becomes infected.
This one was true, not crap. Last up for today's What's Crap is a claim about another household ingredient, baking soda.
That's right. The claim says, did you know baking soda kills viruses in your body, from cancer cells to whatever else will breed?
The message says to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda or more to taste to every 500 milliliters of water you drink. It says that all bicarbonate of soda does is put oxygen in your body and balance your body's pH levels. This can't be true, Kate.
Prof. Diana Hardy, a clinical virologist and head of the Diagnostic Virology Laboratory at South Africa's Groote Schuur Hospital, called it baloney.
She said that while oxygen is essential to keep us alive, it does not specifically kill viruses. And the only thing that puts oxygen in your body is the lungs, she told us, not baking soda.
She also said that viruses are eliminated from the body by the immune system of the infected person. Vaccines can stimulate an immune system response.
Another specialist, Prof. Janet Poole, head of the Pediatric Hematology and Oncology Unit at Charlotte Maxeke, said the claim is absolutely rubbish.
She said once you have a cancer cell, you can't kill it with anything else except proper treatment. And this could include chemotherapy, radiation, or immunotherapy, or whatever treatment there is for that cancer.
So we rate this claim as crap then. That's all the time we have for today. Now you know what's crap and what's not.
Your friends and family can sign up for the show over WhatsApp. The number is 082-709-3527. Make sure to save us as a contact in your phone and then send us a message to confirm.
You can find the show wherever you get your podcasts, from Apple to Spotify. If you listen there, you'll find show notes and a link to the fact checks.
And we're also running a regular newsletter, and you should subscribe. To do this, you just need to send us your email address on WhatsApp.
Or sign up at our website, www.whatscrap.africa.
And always remember that you can send us a WhatsApp message, a picture, video, link, or voice note that you need fact-checked. Just forward them to us on WhatsApp. Our theme song is composed by John Bartman. I'm Kate Wilkinson.
And I'm Andisua May.
Bye for now.
Volume.